Okay, so there's something weird going on. Okay, so basically there's this thing called ENS, or yeah, ENS registrar controller, and Matt Finestone registered with the config 5 days ago, and this is the token ID, right, for ETH registrar controller. And when you click on the token ID, if my internet would load right, it brings you to their website, right, which is right here. It says ENS is now available for claiming. What the hell is this? Users have until May 4th, 2022 to claim their tokens, after which any remaining tokens will be sent to the DAO treasury. The snapshot for all allocations, airdrop contributors, Discord users, etc. took... Oh. Okay. That's weird that Matt... Is this something with to do with games? That's weird that Matt Finestone's involved with this. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, there you have it. ENS. ENS. I'm gonna have to look into that. ENS. MattFinestone.eth. You can get lost in this website, man. See, here it is again. Register with safe transfer. Token ID. Paypp.eth. What the fuck is this? Okay, so hold on. This token holder, as of 5 days ago, sent this token to Matt Finestone, which is paypp.eth. I don't understand. And then that leads back to here. Decentralized naming for wallets, websites, and more. I don't know. Has anyone else heard of this? Oh, so I wonder if you just connect with your current wallet. Interesting. If anyone has heard of this ENS thing, let me know. ENS governance. Huh. So they're NFTing names. That's so okay. So the .eth is a name thing. That's a name thing. Okay, so they're gonna attach .eth to their names, and they're gonna have rights to that name, I guess, or like, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna yeah. Sorry about this video. It kind of sucks ass. But if anyone knows anything what I'm talking about, or trying to say, let me know.